Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. As per the second positive indigenization list, 108 items can now be procured only from indigenous sources, and if we include the 101 items from the first list, it takes the total number of negative list to 209. When we got to see the second positive indigenization list or the negative import list, one of the items in the list was the next generation corvettes. Coming up with such positive indigenization list is certainly a big step towards self-sufficiency in defense and a great opportunity for the Indian defense industry to manufacture these items using their own design and development capabilities. Let's take an example to see if India can manufacture such advanced equipment or weapons or not. Seeing the ship part of the negative import list might be making many of us to think how much knowledge and experience does India have in building such powerful corvettes indigenously. This video will provide vital details about one of the greatest achievements by India in building the anti-submarine warfare stealth corvettes for the Indian Navy. The corvette which I am talking about is the Kamorta class corvette or Project 28 class corvettes. The Kamorta class corvettes or Project 28 are a class of anti-submarine warfare stealth corvettes currently in service with the Indian Navy. These are the first anti-submarine warfare stealth corvettes which was built by India, and it was built at the Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, Kolkata. Building such stealth anti-submarine warfare corvettes portrays India's growing capability in becoming more self-reliant through indigenization. The platform and major internal systems of this class of corvettes are also indigenously designed and built. To give you more information or details about this class of stealth corvettes, there were 4 corvettes which were designed and built under this class of category, and you can see the names on the screen. These corvettes were commissioned in 2014, 2016, 2017 and 2020 respectively. Let us quickly see the avionics and armaments which were built indigenously for these corvettes, just to understand how much independent can India be for future ships as well. It is said that 90% of the materials used in building these corvettes were indigenous ones. The main and vital component for constructing any ship is the steel, and the Kavaratti was constructed using high-grade DMR 249A steel which was produced in India. And even the complete superstructure of the ship was also built utilizing the composite materials including locally sourced carbon fiber. The armament of the class includes a license-built Otto Melara 76mm super rapid gun in a stealth mount. The anti-submarine rocket launchers used in these corvettes are L&T built derivatives of the RBU-6000. Even the torpedo tube launchers are built by L&T. Coming to the combat management system and the infrared signature suppression systems, even these were built indigenously by India. The central acquisition radar and fire control system has been manufactured by Bharat Electronics, and the bow-mounted active-cum-passive integrated ship sonar system and even the fire control system was built by DRDO. So these were the details about the Kamorta class stealth corvettes, which I thought of sharing via this video to highlight the talent and experience of India in building indigenous corvettes. Similar to this, India does have all required talents, experience and knowledge to manufacture any type of armaments, avionics, weapons, helicopters and aircrafts. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.